Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the Arabic Fluency channel. Today we are starting a brand new series and it is called Arabic Essentials. In this series we are going to cover the Medina Arabic books. Now after each lesson I'm going to share a set of words with you that I want you to memorize. I'm going to make a Telegram channel which I will link to in the description. You can follow this channel to get all these words. With that, let's get started. Welcome to lesson number 1. In the first lesson, we're going to learn to make a simple sentence in Arabic. How do you say, this is a house? Let's start with that. Now, the word for this is هذا. هذا. It is pronounced like this, starting with the ha and two vowels, ha, the dal, هذا. هذا is this in Arabic. هذا. Now when you want to say this is a house, we simply add the word for house. A house is بيت. هذا بيت. There is no separate article in Arabic. You simply say هذا بيت. This is a house. Now if you want to say this is a pen, this is a pen. The word for pen is قلم. So now we use هذا and change the word from bayt to qalam. So it becomes هذا قلم. هذا قلم. Okay, so هذا بيت. This is a house. Okay, and هذا قلم. This is a pen. Okay, how do you say this is a masjid or a mosque? I gave you the word already. So هذا مسجد. Let's write that as well. هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. This is a masjid. So this is a very easy sentence you can make in Arabic. هذا قلم. هذا بيت. هذا مسجد. And if you follow the Telegram group, I'm going to give you more words so you can make more sentences, inshallah. Or if you go to your Medina Arabic textbook 1, lesson 1, you can find a lot of vocabulary which you can memorize and you can make simple sentences like this. So alhamdulillah, you're already making a lot of progress. Okay, let's make a final sentence before we move on to the next concept. How do you say this is a book? This is a book. The word for book in Arabic is kitab. So you say هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. Pay attention to the ending. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. Okay? هذا بيت. هذا قلم. هذا مسجد. هذا كتاب. Okay? طيب. Now we have learned to say this is so and so. Now we want to ask questions. How do you ask? What is this? What is this? Okay? To ask what, we use the word ma. Ma. Okay? Ma is what? Ma. So to ask what is this, we say ma. This is هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. What is this? What is this? ما هذا. Okay. ما هذا. هذا قلم. What is this? This is a pen. طيب. Let's learn to ask another question. How do you ask? Is this a pen? Is this a pen? So we need the word for is, and that is the hamza. The hamza or the a. أهذا قلم. أهذا قلم. So this hamza is a question word, which is is. Is this a pen? أهذا قلم. Okay. Now I want you to say or ask, is this a house? You have the words already to make the sentence. So go on and try. Is this a house? Okay. If you need time, pause the video. Try to make the sentence by yourself. Now I'm going to give you the answer. Is this a house? How do you say this? أهذا بيت. أهذا بيت. Is this a house? أهذا قلم. Is this a pen? أهذا مسجد. Is this a masjid? أهذا كتاب. Is this a book? Okay, so we already learned quite a bit. We have learned to make basic sentences in Arabic and to ask basic questions. Now make sure you learn all the vocabulary for lesson number 1, and inshallah in the next video we'll move on to ذَلِكَ, which is that, and that will be lesson number 2.